Dírit, it's Misha Owen. I'm Owen from Bite Size Irish. I'm going to teach you how to say the word song in the Irish language, and then 3 reasons why I think you should learn to sing a couple of songs in the Irish language. So to say song in Irish, you say Ow-rawn. Try to say it after me. Ow-rawn. Well done. And for any phonetics and spelling, we'll leave it below the video. Now, three reasons I think that you should learn a couple of songs in the Irish language. The first reason I think you should learn to sing a song in the Irish language is it brings you deeper to the language and to the peoples and to the culture of Ireland. And how does that happen? First of all, you're getting into the story of a certain song, and those songs encapsulate the history or the cultural history of the Irish language. They get you to know the words and the phrases in the Irish language if you have a resource that teaches you the meaning of the song. So you're getting that real deeper connection. So now, number 2, hold on a second. A cup of tea. Number 2, it's shareable. So when you learn a song, you might start with the cuirfá, with the chorus, and then get to know some other verses. And as you get more practice and you get more used to it, yeah, you have to pluck up some courage to share the song with others. But you can share your love for the Irish language with others, even if they don't speak a word of the language. You can still maybe tell them the history or the context of the song, and then sing the song for them. Share your love for the culture through that song. And number 3 is, I think that learning to sing a song in the Irish language is actually doable. Songs are a fantastic format because you've got a set number of words, set type of words. You can learn the words like word by word, slowly but surely. Yeah, it won't happen overnight, but learn the words, learn what they mean, learn the context of the song so you have a feeling what's happening in the song. You can practice a verse, you can practice the whole song, you can watch other people sing it on YouTube, for example. So the structure of a song really makes it doable. It's not like, contrast that to being thrown into the Gaeltacht in Ireland and expecting to have a conversation in the Irish language, because you don't know where that conversation is going. A song gives you so much more structure, but you're still learning those words and phrases, and it's something shareable. So have I piqued your interest a little? At Bite Size Irish, Siobhan has recorded 3 songs, yeah, 3 traditional Irish songs, and we want to share those songs with you because we want you to hear those songs, the beauty of the songs, and we want to share the lyrics with you too. So what you do, you follow the link under this video and throw in your email address, and over a week or 2 we'll send you those 3 songs by email with videos, lyrics for free. And I hope you'll at least pick up a bit of love for those 3 traditional songs that we've chosen for you. Challenge accepted? Okay, a Glyn, let's go.